Dairy-free, inflammation-busting chocolate mousse recipe with avocado, coconut milk, and cacao. You should definitely try the super healthy chocolate dessert. It's loaded with healthy nutrients and you won't feel guilty about eating it. We all know that all desserts and sugary stuff contain high amounts of dairy and sugar, both of which are pro-inflammatory. As your blood sugar rises, so does your levels of inflammatory messengers called cytokines. Just give it a try, it's very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. And yes, don't forget to share this delicious recipe with your friends and family. Here's what you need to do. Vegan chocolate mint mousse. Serves, 8. You will need the following ingredients. 40 grams raw organic chocolate, 2 ripe avocados, 1 cup of coconut milk, 4 tablespoon cacao, 3 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of mint extract. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to scoop out avocado meat and grate the seed. When you are done with that you need to put it into a powerful blender. Now blend the avocado, coconut, cacao, syrup, and flavoring together until smooth. Set aside. Now, you need to melt the chocolate in a bain-marie or in a large stainless steel bowl set over a small saucepan or boiling water. Note: make sure you stir it frequently to avoid burning. Scoop the avocado mixture into your chocolate and whisk until smooth and airy. You should spoon it into cute serving bowls and refrigerate for 2 hours. You can serve with grated chocolate and fresh mint leaves. Enjoy. About the ingredients. Avocado is loaded with more than 20 essential nutrients, including inflammation-fighting oleic acid, polyphenols, and flavonoids. You should also know that the super healthy fruit can provide many health benefits, such as lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, keeps the gut healthy, improves vision, supports cognitive function and boosts weight loss. Coconut milk. You probably know that coconut milk is the most nutritious and creamy dairy alternative. Coconut milk contains compounds like lauric and capric acid, which have powerful anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antipyretic, anti-stress and cholesterol-lowering activities. It's also used to fight obesity and heart disease. Cacao is loaded with many healthy nutrients and powerful antioxidants that slow the production of molecules involved in inflammation. The delicious powder even heals the cardiovascular system by improving cholesterol levels, blood pressure, blood clotting, coronary artery function, and insulin sensitivity. Well, this means that you should definitely try this delicious and super healthy recipe. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.